CD Baby Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to CD Baby are in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's get straight to the point. CD Baby is a well-known digital music distribution platform designed for independent musicians looking to release their music on major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and more. Unlike subscription-based services, CD Baby charges a one-time fee per release, making it a great option for artists who prefer not to pay annually. Additionally, it provides physical CD and vinyl distribution, music publishing administration, and sync licensing, making it a comprehensive solution for independent artists. CD Baby distributes music to over 150 digital streaming platforms and online stores worldwide. It offers one-time pricing per single or album, with no annual fees. Artists earn 91% of their streaming and download revenue, with CD Baby taking a 9% commission. The platform also includes sync licensing, allowing artists to earn from TV, movies, and commercials. Music Publishing Administration helps collect royalties from performance rights organizations and mechanical licenses globally. CD Baby provides automated YouTube Content ID registration and Facebook monetization, ensuring artists get paid when their music is used on these platforms. Additionally, it offers physical distribution, allowing musicians to sell CDs and vinyl through their online store and retail partners. Strengths. One of CD Baby's biggest advantages is its one-time pricing model, which eliminates the need for ongoing subscription fees. It's a great option for artists who release music less frequently. The platform's additional services, such as sync licensing and publishing administration, help artists maximize their earnings beyond streaming revenue. CD Baby is also one of the few major distributors that still offer physical distribution for CDs and vinyl. Another strong point is its YouTube and Facebook monetization tools, which help artists generate income from social media platforms. Weaknesses. While CD Baby offers a lot of value, there are some downsides. The 9% commission on streaming and download revenue means artists don't keep 100% of their earnings, unlike some competitors. Additionally, the one-time fee per release can add up over time for artists who release music frequently, making subscription-based platforms a better choice for high-volume musicians. Distribution speed can sometimes be slower compared to competitors like DistroKid. Lastly, while CD Baby offers solid support, some users have reported delays in customer service responses. Tash, final verdict. CD Baby is a solid choice for independent artists who prefer one-time pricing and need additional services like sync licensing, publishing administration, and physical distribution. It's especially great for artists who release music less frequently and want long-term availability without annual fees. However, the 9% commission and one-time pricing model may not be ideal for frequent releases. If you're looking for a well-rounded distribution platform with extra earning opportunities, CD Baby is worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details.